We've just installed the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay conversion kit in this 2018 4Runner. We'll show you how to get CarPlay set up the first time. Click on the Bluetooth app, click the magnifying glass search icon, and when your phone's name appears, you'll go ahead and click it. Wait a few seconds, and you'll get a notification that'll pop up with a pairing code. Go ahead and click Pair. Then click Allow to Favorites and Contacts. And we'll go back home here. Now click on the App Store, and you're going to find the app T-Link 5. This is CarPlay. Click it. And the first time you're going to get a notification to use CarPlay. Click Use CarPlay. It'll load for a few seconds, and then CarPlay will open. You can configure CarPlay and change settings like the wallpaper here. We have another video that'll give you a complete overview of the features of CarPlay. We're now going to show you how to make the system a little bit nicer to use. Click the Home button to come back home here. This is our underlying operating system. This rides under the CarPlay and is available for things like if you ever got in the car without your phone and wanted to listen to the radio. What I like to do, long hold this music icon, click Change Entry, come over here, put T-Link 5 on the home page. You'll just see that little car with your phone icon. It looks very nice and factory. And now clicking this will have CarPlay come right up. If you want CarPlay to pair automatically when you get in the car, come here to Settings, the General tab, scroll down until you see Application Self-Start, and set the Self-Start to T-Link 5. Now, if you're ever having issues with your T-Link 5 not connecting right away or requiring you to reconnect or anything like that, reach out to our tech support team. We can get your T-Link 5 app updated if you ever have trouble, and we're here to clear up any glitches. There's also this little reset button labeled RST on the front of the unit. What this unit does when you click this button, it clears out the RAM on your unit. So think of that as like fully turning off and back on your computer without ever having to turn off and on your car. So that's a nice button to do if you ever run into any glitches. Our team is available to help you if you run into any trouble on the install or have any software difficulties. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890. You can also check out our forum on our website if you go to hamiltonmotorcompany.com and click Forum. We'll have a few more videos on our YouTube channel here that'll walk you through some popular ways to get this configured.